this is the next question. Let me write the question down. 60 students took an algebra test and which comprised of 15 multiple choice questions, MCQ. The number of correct answers that each student obtained is recorded in the table below. So let me draw the table. Okay, number of correct answers, and this is number of students. So 8 correct answers, 6 students have got 8 correct answers. 14 students got 9 correct answers. 2 students got 10 correct answers. 6 students got 11 correct answers. 2 students got 12 correct answers. 11 students got 13 correct answers. 9 students got 14 correct answers. 10 students got 15 correct answers. Okay. Now, the number of students who had exactly 13, that's the first question. First question is what? Number of students who had exactly 13 correct answers. Okay, so I'll go to the table and locate number of correct answers 13 and number of students. So you write that down. There are 11 students who scored 13 correct answers. It's a lovely question. Okay, to start off with, let's move on. The next question is find the modal number of correct answers. So go back to the table and look for the highest number of students scoring a certain mark. So in this case, 14 students have scored 9 marks. So this is called as the modal number of correct answers. So you can write that down. The modal number of correct answers equals 9, right? Next, they are asking us to find the median number of correct answers, right? So see, there are even number of entries. So the median is nothing but n plus 1th divided by 2. That is the spot where the median will occur. 60 positive 1 divided by 2, 61 divided by 2, 3 and 5, 2 3s are 6 and 0, it's not 5, 2 3s are 6, and 0 and 10 5. So the median occurs at 30.5th entry. So that means we will have to collect the entry at 30th plus collect the entry at 31st and we divide by 2. That will be the median. So 30th entry, go to the table. 6 plus 14, 20, 22, 28 plus 2, 30. 30th entry. So 30th entry is what? Is 12. 31st entry. 31st entry is the next entry. That's 13. So 12 added with 13 divided by 2, that's 25 divided by 2, which is 12.5. So this is the median. So on an average, most of the half the class score is located at 12.5. That is the understanding there. Okay, the next question is find the probability that a student chosen at random has at least 12 correct answers. So you go back to the table and find out where do we have answers which are 12 and above. See, 2 students get 12 correct answers, then 11 are getting 13 and 9 are getting 14 and 10 are getting 15. So the probability of selecting a student with at least 12 correct answers is equal to, you need to add these values. 12 plus, this is 11 plus 9 plus 10. 12 plus 11 plus 9 plus 10 divided by number of students is 60. 12 plus 11 plus 9 plus 10. Okay. So this is 20, 22, 32 divided by 60. Okay. 4 divides 15 times, 4 divides 8 times. So 8 over 15. This is the solution for this question, 8 over 50. Okay. So we move on to the next one. Now this is the next question. A group of students wrote a physics exam. Now each of the students achieved grade 1, grade 2, grade 3 or grade 4. The pie chart is given below. Okay, now you have to look at the pie chart and make the following inferences. So let me draw the pie. Okay, this is the pie. So I need to make the following division. So this is the center, and okay, fair enough. This is grade 1, grade 3 is given. This angle is 117 degrees. And we are given 39 students are in this region. This is grade 4 and grade 2. So each of the divisions are to be found. So let us see the first question. The first question says find, let me write that down here, find the total number of students who took the exam. Okay, so we have to get the total number of students who took the exam. We just have this data. What have we given here? We know this information. What is that? 117 degree is equal to 39 students. So therefore 1 degree is 39 divided by 117. So this is the measurement we are being given. So the total pi is 360. Total pi is 360 degrees. Okay. So therefore the total number of students is nothing but 360 you multiply by 39 over 117. So 3 will divide here. 3 3s are 9, 10, 11, 27. 9 times 3 divides here 120 times. 39 goes away, you have 120. So therefore total number of students is equal to 120. Okay, fair enough. Now we need to do the next part of the question. So let me write the question down. Okay, this is the next question. The ratio of the number of students who achieved grade 1, grade 2 or grade 4 is given as 2:4:3. A student passed the exam if he or she receives grade 1 or 2 or 3. So grade 4 anybody receiving is considered failed. So how many students passed the exam? It's a lovely question. Okay, now 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 3, 9. So 9 parts are given. Now you see here you have 117. So from 360 you take away 117. What do you get? 10, 3. From 5 you take away 1. You will, so this is going to be 4, and from 3 you take away 1, you get 243 degrees. Okay, so 9 parts is equal to 243 degrees. So 1 part is 243 divided by 9. So 9 2s are 18 and 63, right? So that's 9 7s are 63, right? 9 into 7 you get 63. So that's why 7 is here. So 1 part is 27 degrees. So the ratio of I, that is student who got grade 1, is 2 parts. That's a 2 multiplied by 27 is 54 degrees. So this region is 54. The person who got grade 2 is actually 4 parts. So 4 multiplied by 27. 7 4s are 28, 2 4s are 8, 9, 10. 108. Person who got grade 4 is 3 parts. Grade 4 is 3 parts multiplied by 27. That is 7 3s are 21, 2 3s are 6, 7, 8, 81 degrees. But we need only student who passed. Student who passed. To find the number of students who passed, we will have to take away 81 degrees. From 360 degrees we take away 81 degrees out. So 360. So we can actually approach it in this fashion, or we can literally find the number of students who got grade 4. That's 81 degrees. We multiply 81 degrees by 39 over 117 to get the number of students. So 3 divides here 39 times, 3 divides 2 times, 21 7 times, 39 goes off, you have 27. So 27 students. Now since the total number of students who wrote the exam is 120, therefore students who passed the exam is 120 minus 27. So from 120 you take away 27, you get 93, right? So 93 students passed the exam. Either you can do it like this, or what you can do is from 360 you take away 81. So 10, take away 1, you get 9, and this is 5. From 15 you take away 8, you have 7, you have 279. So 279 degrees, you multiply it with 39 over 117. So 3 divides here, 9 3s are 27, 3 3s are 9. 3 divides here 39 goes away, you get 93. So directly you get 93 students, and this is the result that you have got.